Creating wooden wall-mounted personal organizers presents a profitable venture for artisans eager to transform their creativity into a sustainable income. These functional yet aesthetically pleasing items cater to the growing demand for home organization solutions while simultaneously offering a canvas for artistic expression. By merging practicality with craftsmanship, artisans can tap into a lucrative market that values unique, handcrafted products. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden wall-mounted personal organizers design ideas to transform creativity into a sustainable income. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The appeal of wooden wall-mounted organizers lies in their versatility. These pieces can be designed to suit various needs, whether it's for holding keys, mail, or office supplies. As more people seek to declutter and organize their living spaces, the demand for stylish organizational tools has surged. Wooden organizers not only fulfill a functional purpose, but also enhance the aesthetic of a room, making them desirable to consumers looking to elevate their home decor. Artisans can capitalize on the trend towards minimalism and sustainability by creating organizers that reflect these values. Using reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced materials not only adds character to each piece, but also resonates with environmentally conscious consumers. This commitment to sustainability can increase the perceived value of the product, allowing artisans to command higher prices. By telling the story behind materials used, artisans can forge a deeper connection with potential buyers, further enhancing the appeal of their work. Moreover, the customization aspect of wooden wall-mounted organizers allows artisans to cater to individual preferences. Offering personalized designs, such as custom engravings or tailored dimensions, can attract a wider range of customers. This level of customization not only enhances customer satisfaction but also fosters loyalty, as buyers are more likely to return for additional purchases if they feel a personal connection to the product. By understanding consumer needs and preferences, artisans can create items that resonate deeply, leading to increased sales. The production process for wooden organizers is relatively straightforward, making it an accessible venture for many artisans. With basic woodworking skills and tools, such as saws, drills, and sanders, artisans can create a variety of designs. This simplicity allows for experimentation and creativity, enabling artisans to develop unique styles that set their products apart in a competitive market. The tactile nature of working with wood adds to the enjoyment of the process, turning each project into a fulfilling experience. As artisans embark on this venture, they should consider the importance of effective marketing. In today's digital age, having an online presence is crucial for reaching potential customers. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest provide excellent opportunities to showcase finished products, share the creative process, and engage with followers. High-quality images that highlight the craftsmanship and design of the organizers can capture the attention of potential buyers, driving traffic to online shops or local craft fairs. Are you enjoying this video? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Participating in local markets or craft shows can also be an effective way to gain exposure. These venues allow artisans to showcase their work in person, interact with customers, and receive immediate feedback. The personal interaction that comes from face-to-face sales can create a memorable experience for buyers, increasing the likelihood of repeat purchases and word-of-mouth referrals. This grassroots approach can be particularly effective in building a loyal customer base. Additionally, collaborating with other local artisans or businesses can enhance visibility and create networking opportunities. Joint ventures, such as co-hosting workshops or participating in community events, can introduce artisans to new audiences and foster a sense of community. These collaborations can lead to cross-promotion, where artisans support each other's work, ultimately benefiting all parties involved. The potential for financial gain in producing wooden wall-mounted organizers is significant. Artisans can set competitive prices based on the quality of craftsmanship, materials used, and the uniqueness of their designs. By creating a range of products at different price points, artisans can cater to various budgets, broadening their customer base. As the demand for functional home decor continues to rise, artisans who focus on quality and innovation can enjoy a steady stream of income. Moreover, as artisans refine their skills and gain experience, they can explore more intricate designs and expand their product offerings. For instance, organizers could incorporate additional features such as integrated lighting, corkboards for notes, or even charging stations for electronic devices. These enhancements not only increase the functionality of the product, but also appeal to tech-savvy consumers who seek modern solutions for their organizational needs. The emotional connection that consumers have with handmade items cannot be understated. In an era of mass production, the authenticity and uniqueness of handcrafted wooden organizers resonate with buyers. Each piece carries the artisan's story, skill, and creativity, making it more than just a functional item. It becomes a work of art. This emotional appeal can significantly impact purchasing decisions, leading consumers to choose handmade organizers over generic alternatives. In addition to personal use, wooden wall-mounted organizers also make excellent gifts. As artisans create designs that cater to different tastes and occasions, they can tap into the gift market, a lucrative segment that thrives year-round. Items such as personalized organizers for weddings, graduations, or housewarming events can attract buyers looking for thoughtful, unique presents. This potential for gifting further expands the market reach and profitability of wooden organizers. As artisans engage in this venture, they should remain open to feedback and continually adapt their designs based on customer preferences. This iterative approach fosters a culture of improvement and innovation, ensuring that the products remain relevant and appealing. By listening to customer suggestions and observing market trends, artisans can stay ahead of the competition and create items that resonate with a wide audience. In conclusion, producing wooden wall-mounted personal organizers presents a profitable venture for artisans seeking to combine creativity with income generation. The versatility, customization options, and emotional appeal of these items make them highly desirable in the marketplace. By focusing on quality craftsmanship, effective marketing, and community engagement, artisans can carve out a niche for themselves in the woodworking industry. As the demand for unique, functional home decor continues to grow, this venture offers not only financial rewards but also personal fulfillment and artistic expression. Through dedication and innovation, artisans can transform their passion for woodworking into a successful business, enriching their lives and those of their customers. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden wall-mounted personal organizers design ideas to transform creativity into a sustainable income. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.